Welcome to the Comodo Endpoint Security Manager product demonstration. Thank you for joining us. Here we will highlight some of the key components of Comodo Endpoint Security Manager, including importing endpoints, security software deployment on multiple and single endpoints, and power management capabilities. Let's begin by logging into the administrator console. Using the import wizard, administrators can import endpoints in three ways: through an Active Directory, a workgroup, or by IP address. Here you'll see how an administrator can import computers from the Active Directory into Endpoint Security Manager. Click Next to begin importing endpoints using the Import Wizard. Once complete, select Finish to open the Computer Tools window. Now that the endpoints are imported into Endpoint Security Manager, let's install Comodo Internet Security onto all imported endpoints. Select Add under Package Manager to create a new task description to run on imported endpoints. We will call this task CIS Install, short for Comodo Internet Security Install, and set the description as Installation. Next, we must upload the Comodo Internet Security Setup file to deploy onto the networked endpoints. To access this task later, it is necessary to save before closing. To detail the task, select View and then Sequence Manager. Under the Sequence Manager, we will add the new sequence that was just created and select the appropriate task details to run. In this case, let's install a package, reboot the computer, and set configurations for CIS, which we will discuss shortly. Select from the installation parameters the package to deploy, in this case Comodo Internet Security, which was created earlier. Comodo Endpoint Security Manager has also been integrated with Comodo Disk Encryption. By setting the detail earlier to set configurations for CIS, administrators can edit security levels and set security policies on all networked endpoints to ensure employee productivity and business efficiency. When additional endpoints are added through IP address, Endpoint Security Manager allows administrators to deploy Comodo security products individually in two ways. First, let's set up the task as we did previously, by selecting the appropriate task to run. In this case, the Comodo Internet Security install, which we created earlier, and configure the task to save, execute, and close. We can also easily deploy Comodo Internet Security directly onto a single endpoint by right-clicking on the endpoint icon, selecting Install, and then choosing which security solution the administrator would like deployed on the endpoint. In this case, Comodo Internet Security. Simple as that, Comodo Internet Security products can be deployed onto individual endpoints. Viewing the individual properties of specific computers is a key feature of Comodo Endpoint Security Manager. This feature displays real-time information for each endpoint selected by right-clicking on the individual endpoint and viewing its properties. Power management settings are also available for endpoints on the business network. Power management enables administrators to control power consumption and implement a significant cost savings by setting time intervals before switching off monitors and hard drives and switching computers into sleep or hibernation mode. Let's create a task to edit power management settings the same way we created a task for deploying security software earlier. We will call this task Change Power Options and add details to set power policies. If the administrator would like to edit power management settings, for example, turn off the PC monitors automatically after 15 minutes of being inactive, this can be done right from the administrator console and provide significant cost savings for your business. Taking another look at the properties of an individual computer on the business network after settings have been changed, you'll see the options set to the desired power management settings described in the scheduled task. That concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching. Contact a Comodo Security Solutions expert at pcsecurity@comodo.com to learn more about how you can enhance your company's security, employee efficiency, and profitability with Comodo Endpoint Security Manager.